Peace be upon you guys. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a carved effect using an art. In my previous video, I showed you how you can create an art from an image. And today, I'm going to show you how you can create a carved effect using an art. So I created this art in my previous video, and I am going to use this particular art to create this carved effect. So first of all, set your canvas to 1920 into 1080 pixels. You can edit the document properties using Ctrl Shift D in Inkscape. And you can change wherever you want to, but in this video I have set it to 1920 into 1080 pixels. I downloaded this wood image from Pixabay, and now I have imported in my canvas. And now make this selection to and now lower the selection to the bottom, and if you focus on this image, it's now 9020 to 1080p. So first I would like to crop this using this clip option in Inkscape, as you can see. So now what I want to do is lower its opacity to somehow 47.1 so I can see what I'm going to do with this shape here. So first let's color it first to any color you like this one. And if you hold shift and this cross button here, you can see this will delete the stroke color of any object. So here you can see we have our ship, and now what I want to do is group all of these components of the ship except that background, because it's not the component of the ship. So if you select all the components and then press Ctrl G, it will group all of them. So we can easily change the size of ship in Inkscape here. And now what I want to do is duplicate this shape using Ctrl D and select the shadows and glows from the filters menu, and from drop down use drop shadow. Before proceeding next, I would like to tell you that please focus on the video more than on my voiceover. I may miss some important tweaks to mention because I'm recording this voiceover after the screen recording all of these things. So, and let's get back to the video. Please turn on this live preview option and take a note of all of these settings, and use the inner cutout as shadow type, and then apply. And now you can see we have our inner cutout of the ship, but now what I'm going to do here is to make another duplicate of its original ship here and use that filter again, which is obviously drop shadow, and from drop shadow we are using inner cutout, okay? And please note the values are different this time, okay? And now we have our new inner cutout, and what I'm going to do here is make this color shape lower than all of these inner cutouts, okay? You'll soon know why I'm doing this. And now if I lower the blur of this drop shadow, you can clearly see we have achieved something. And if I tell you good news, we have achieved a color effect here. Let me show you how. If I use the red triangle background, you can see we have achieved a color effect. But now we don't want this red color. We need this wood as our background, and we need this shape to be carved like a wood. We don't need this red color here, okay? So for now, I'm going to pause my voice over here, and I want you to focus on the video here. I'll be back when I'm done with all of these things, okay? So guys, if I tell you what key changes I did there, I duplicated this wood image and made it somehow darker than before, and then I clipped the shape out of it, okay? And then now I place this clipped shape behind the inner cutouts we made earlier. And you can see we have our carved effect here. To make it more beautiful, I'm gonna do some more tweaks with this thing, okay? So congratulations, we have our carved effect in Inkscape. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thank me later for sharing this information with you. And for now, peace be upon you, and Allah Hafiz.